They given some F is given. And they asking to find the work done. From way to way now, particle moving from 0, 5 to 10, 5. Right. Now you can do same thing here. Here, so look at now here, the coordinates they given, what tell me now? 0, 5 to where it is moving now here? 10, 5. So here the x coordinate is changing, but y coordinate is same only now. That means there is no displacement along y directions. So that's why we have the displacement is only what direction? X only. So we can write the ds. Displacement is only x direction now. So we can say this as dx into I cap. No displacement along y direction now. So that's why no need to write the y and z terms. Now you tell me now we should find the f bar dot ds bar now. And if we find the dot between what I will get now, f and ds is a, so that is 2x into dx. Okay. I with I. J terms, known J terms now, no need to consider. So now we should find the integration of this work done. Work done ke liye we should do integrate now. Integral of what you tell me now? F bar dot ds bar. So you can tell me now this work done integral of f. How much you tell me now here? 2x into dx. Limits. X limits now. X limits are what to what you tell me now? 0 to 10. So that means work done will come to be a 2 into x integration. X square by 2. Limits are 0 to 10. 2 will get cancelled now. Here will come it as 10 square minus 0 square, which is equal to how much? 100 joules.